Are you ready to meet your galactic guide to learning all about the 88 constellations in our universe? Look no further than Briston's Astronomy Constellation Flash Card deck. Designed by experts for students of astronomy, this pack includes 88 flashcards that are packed with information, including a graphic illustration of the constellation, its name and where it's visible, history of its discovery, its brightest star, and some other relevant facts. This comprehensive STEM study tool is the perfect way to encourage exploration of our universe in students and hobbyists, in at-home learning environments, or as part of a classroom. It also makes a great gift for teachers and cosmic explorers of any age. Get your 88-card Astronomy Constellation Flashcard deck today, and use it in combination with our 75-card Scientific Facts About Solar Systems, Stars, and Galaxies flashcard deck to take your knowledge about space to the next level. The universe is in your hands with Briston, inspiring learning through engaging and effective tools.